Welcome, we present template-free reconstruction of human-object interaction with procedural interaction generation. The goal of this project is to reconstruct interacting human and object in 3D without any template shapes. This is a very challenging problem due to depth scale ambiguity and occlusion. Without template, it's even more challenging due to diverse human and object pose shape variations. To reason 3D from 2D, we need strong priors for interaction and shapes. However, learning strong priors is limited by existing interaction datasets. Behave and intercap captures 10 to 20 different objects, which is far away from the shape variation we have in other datasets such as Bedroom and Objectverse. Hence, our first key idea is to generate synthetic data. We procedurally combine interaction, human, and object shape datasets. This multiplicative scaling allows us to generate large-scale datasets. We call our method procedure, which is based on the key idea that humans interact similarly with objects of the same category. Given seat interaction and a new object, we compute dense correspondence to transfer contexts. We then optimize the interaction with the new object based on the context, and then random them with clothing and textures. We generate our procedure dataset, a large-scale dataset with more than 1 million interactions. This is possible by essentially multiplying human, object, and interaction datasets. Our dataset has more than 21,000 different object shapes, and 100 human shapes and clothing, which are randomed to more than 1 million images. This is far more diverse than any existing interaction datasets. Apart from data, existing method Chor relies on template and cannot predict correct poses for new object instances. PC2 does not require template, but its shape prediction is not accurate. Training PC2 with our data improves its accuracy, but it still cannot reason the interaction semantics. Therefore, we propose our method hierarchical diffusion model for interaction. Our key idea is to learn subspaces for interaction and individual shapes separately. We first use one network to predict global human and object with segmentation. We then use two separate networks to predict human and object separately. Our method allows us to obtain high-quality interaction reconstruction without any template meshes. Here we show more results from our method. We show quantitative results on the Behave dataset. It can be seen that our method significantly outperforms Chor, which requires template. Training early on our synthetic data performs on par with Chor, even though our method has never seen these objects before. We show qualitative comparison with Chor. Chor relies on predefined template meshes, and its object pose prediction is noisy, leading to inconsistent 3D reconstruction. Our method faithfully reconstructs the human object without any templates. We now compare our method with PC2, which does not require templates, but its reconstruction is noisy and cannot separate human and object. Our method predicts semantics while also predicting highly accurate shapes. With our high-fidelity shape prediction, we can obtain high-quality mesh using classic surface reconstruction methods. Our method generalizes to diverse datasets. We first show results on the NTU RGBD dataset. Our method can reconstruct different objects even though the model has never seen images from this dataset. Next, we show results on the SYSU dataset. Our method faithfully reconstructs different objects without using any templates. Our method also generalizes well to the challenging in the wild cocoa images. It can reconstruct different shapes consistently with the interacting human. Our method predicts segmentation, which allows us to manipulate human and object separately. Here we show that we can add different textures to our reconstructed human and object, respectively. Thank you for watching. Our code, data, and demo has been released.